Hey loves, just a quick overview of how the stairway looked before. So now the wallpaper all out, the staircase floor is also gonna go back to the kitchen. This is how the kitchen looked right from the beginning. Wallpaper out, floors out, and now like they've done the sanding, and then the wallpaper comes in, then the painting. So yeah, let's just continue this vlog. I thought I'll just introduce it this way because I lost some content and I'm just gonna have to plug you guys with what I've got for now.
Don't keep me down. Don't keep me down. Don't keep me down.
I'm downtown just on time for my nails appointment, so I'm gonna get my nails done, grab some flowers. I love having flowers in my space, and the whole of last week I did not have any. Guys, it has gotten really
바쁘게 지나가 해는 또 지나봐 내 마음의 꽃은 언제 필까 바쁘게 살지만 그냥 좀 쉬다가 신호등 안 온 불이 언제쯤 바뀌니 이면이 꺼 에너지를 쏟아붓고 탈지 할 때쯤 초록빨간 둘 중에 뭐가 더 넌 기대돼
이젠 그만 따라갈래 거울 속에 나를 바라봐 줄래 마음속에.
Guys, I'm at the site. I'll talk about that a bit later, but look at these nails. Oh my gosh, I love my nails, you guys. I actually went for almost a month without getting my nails done just because my nails had gotten so weak, and I wanted to let them breathe. Their strength finally, kicked in, and it was just about time for me to get my nails done. Love them. Hi guys, I'm back home. Let me just take a sip of water. I don't have a microphone, I don't know. Anyways, hi guys, I'm back home. Got my nails done. Love them. I just added this this ring and it looks really cute. So not me walking around with my jacket full of makeup. I don't know if you guys noticed that. It doesn't look that bad on camera. It doesn't look that bad either, but not cute. So I got my nails done, rushed to the site, to the house, the renovation site, because I had to drop some keys. There are 2 people who are supposed to work on the doors. We are going to panel the doors and paint them white. 2 doors are gonna go. The one, obviously you've already seen that it's already gone, the one that is in the bedroom, and the one that separates the living room and the kitchen. That one also has to go. So we figured buying really doors of, let's say, 300 euros one door, and the quality is just okay, why not just give the doors a new look and we just get what we want. So we talked to our company, and yeah, they're gonna do that for us. So they're going to panel the doors and then paint them white, and it's gonna look all cute. So yeah guys, I thought I'll show you a few things that I got today and some that came in the mail today and yesterday. So first things first, I got these Nike trainers. Love them in color pink. You guys, I used to be obsessed with pink to a point whereby people around me will be like, but is it necessary where you're literally all drowning in pink? That used to be me, but I don't know what happened. Then I got myself a pink workout set. I'll put the pictures for you guys here to see. If you follow me on TikTok, you've seen. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen. That pink.
어떻게 된 거니 정말 이별인 거니 평행선처럼 좁혀지지 않던 우리 두 사람 어쩔 순 없잖아 더는 서로를 괴롭히지 말고 Let's be on our way 내일은 좀 괜찮아질 거야
I was like, you know what? I think it's about time I started bringing back some pink in my wardrobe, like a few pieces. And yeah, I started with this. I know the pink is not like that popping, but I love them. Some Nike socks, as you can see. These boots. Oh my goodness. I think these are the first shoes I'm gonna wear before even this video drops. So just in case I do.
Evil Empire, laughing all the way to the bank.
Yeah, then I got myself these cute mats, like for drinks, like when you're having your tea, glass of water, a glass of wine, you know, love them. I got this color just because I have some kitchenware that I got from TK Maxx and I love those kitchenware, so I figured these will go so well with them. Then I also got myself these two glasses. I already had a set of 4, but 2 went down to the side, so 2 remained here. And I love having my things in sets, so you can enjoy your matcha, coffee, you know, juice, any drink in here. And yeah, so I got this. Then talking of matcha, so I got myself this matcha kit or a matcha set. I'm looking forward to using it. What I was using before, it does the job, but it does leave the particles in it. With coffee, eggs, other stuff, it's perfect, but with matcha it leaves the particles. So I'm like, you know what, maybe let me try this. So I got this and I'm really looking forward. Hopefully the particles won't be left in. Like, I don't know, I just this, guys, how cute is this? This is so cute. So you put your matcha powder in here and then you start, you know, mixing. I don't know what this is. I hope I don't break it. Oh, I think this is for scooping the powder out of whatever you have it in. And this one here, I don't know what this is for. I don't know, you guys. This is my first time getting this, but I'll find a way. Is it for? I don't know. I'll find out. Eventually, I'll find out. A laptop bag. This one came actually today as I was leaving, but as usual, I'm always late. So here. Wait, let's see if it fits in. Oh my God! Yes, it fits. It fits, and there is more space, like your wallet, drop stuff in there, and all of that. I love it. This is nice.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like she's whenever she.
Okay.
Ich hatte früher, also in meinen jüngeren Jahren so, wo man sagen, so mittel, so 50, 55, ja, da hatte ich auch schlimme Migräne gehabt. Da habe ich manchmal 2 Tage im Bett gelegen, alles dunkel. Ja, das ist doch, aber wenn du gar nicht hingehst, das kannst du nicht machen. Ja? Nicht hin.
Ich weiß.
Oh, da hast du noch Zeit.
Aber im eine Woche oder 2 Wochen.
Ja, im Wald.
Guys, we are here, so I guess I'll see you guys once all of whatever we're about to do is done. I was rushing for my life. Thank God I had to get ready by 9:30 because okay, yeah.
Da müssen wir ja hin, stimmt ja. Guck mal, was die hier haben, da alles liegen. Ach, das kannst alles vergessen. Nein, wir müssen da hin.
Ja, aber ich habe nur
hier müssen wir.
nur zugemacht.
Ja, hier müssen wir hoch.
Okay.
Ob jemand da ist, hoffentlich.
Hoffentlich.
Why you wanna run up?
Ist zu weit weg.
Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay. Cause baby, I love you. Why you tryna break us up? When I'm tryna build it up. I wish I could make you stop. Cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you.
Du bleibst nur da, Oma. Ach, ich muss hier bleiben.
Ja, da, genau.
Sehr gut, ohne Brille sehr gut.
Good.
Denkst du, was das gibt? Ja, guck mal, die Kleine da.
Ja, süß.
Bist du drauf?
Ich will gerne. Ist gut.
Machst du doch nichts hier mit der modernen Sache. Mode, alles Mode.